Part of my therapy work in remote influencing therapy is the use of a pendulum. Pendulums have been used for, I'd say, at least over 1,000 years or more. And they've also been used in war times to locate mines and other types of weapons. Now, I've asked the pendulum a few questions regarding the upcoming fight between Deontay, the bronze bomber Wilder, versus Zhilei Zang. And the pendulum usually answers questions with a yes or no. You have to ask it yes or no questions. Then it gives you the answer, yes or no. And the pendulum said that Deontay Wilder can knock out Zhilei Zang with 1 to 3 punches. It also mentioned that Deontay Wilder could, in fact, KO Zhilei Zang with one punch, one power punch, well-timed power punch. But the other question I'd asked was that if Deontay Wilder were to stun Zhilei Zang with one punch, how many more punches would it take to knock him out? And it said 2 more. So in total, three power punches from Deontay Wilder could in fact stop Zhilei Zang. And let's see this. Show you this quick video here, which I'd shot regarding my pendulum. Okay, thank you. Bye.